good under the light. It's kind of dirty actually, especially my wheels. This joint looks so mean from the front. Yeah, that joint hidden. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we need to talk, bruh. But before we start talking, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I've been getting a lot of questions, man. A lot of people have been emailing me, DMing me, asking me, am I selling my Scat Pack? And the only reason why I haven't really been talking about it because people been complaining about clickbait and this and that. So I haven't really been speaking on, you know, what I'm gonna do with my Charger. To be honest, I don't want to sell it. I really do enjoy my car, but I've been actually really thinking about still selling it. And let me tell you why. First of all, right now, having a Mopar on YouTube, unless you really modding your car or you really like out here racing, or you doing something real serious to your car, having a charger for YouTube is really pointless because the content, first of all, the algorithm is not really pushing Mopar content like that. Unless it's something negative or you out here doing something illegal, like you out here street racing and stuff like that. But if you just a regular guy, a regular YouTuber with a Charger and you going to car meets, or you may put a wrap on your car or do a little something to your car, you're really not gonna get a whole bunch of views. It's just not like it used to be. And the main reason is because COVID. It's the COVID, you know, when COVID first hit, everybody was in the house, you know what I'm saying? And people were watching videos, you know what I'm saying? So it really gave people a false representation of how their videos were really doing. You know, everybody was in the house during that time, so people were watching videos. And now people out, you know, people back to work. It's just not a lot of people just sitting in the house watching Dodge Charger videos. They're just not doing it, you know what I'm saying? And I think a lot of people are starting to really feel it. And I seen it coming a long time ago. That's why, like I said in one of my other videos, I made sure I got this. Somebody got a nice Challenger. I made sure I bought a car that I really wanted. And it's not just for YouTube.
I made sure I bought a car that I really wanted. And it's not just for YouTube.
Because those days of just buying a Charger and you getting a whole bunch of views are over. You really actually got to be doing something to your car. And I'm very clear with that. I understand the whole deal. So that's why I offer you guys more stuff than just me wrapping my car going. First of all, I don't even film car meets. You know what I'm saying? Because first of all, when I did try to film car meets, it didn't get a lot of views on my channel. It was just really a waste of my time. So it's like, there's no point in me filming car meets. First of all, you always got copyright music. And it's just a bunch of people standing around. Yeah, you might see some cars with different wraps. You may have some lights, but there's really no point in filming car meets. And a lot of people are starting to understand that just because you at a car meet and you filming a bunch of cars, that don't mean it's going to get views. People want to see action. You know what I'm saying? They want to see something actually going on with the car. Not cars just sitting still, people and just looking at them. You know what I'm saying? Like those days are over because people are out and about. And also TikTok. TikTok has changed the game, man. That's why YouTube started shorts, because they understand that people want content now. They want stuff now. They don't want to have to wait 10 minutes within the video to see what's going on. Like, them days are over, bruh. And that's why you see a lot of YouTubers now making 40 and 50 minute long videos, because if people skipping through it, at some point YouTube will throw an ad in there, and some of those ads you can't skip. So it just makes sense. So again, unless you buying a new car every 5 minutes, racing, running from the police, or doing something illegal, you're not gonna get a whole bunch of views, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or unless you actually really modding your car. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really, like RT Life, who is actually modding his car, doing stuff to it, or modding Red Hemi. No, those guys should be getting a lot of views because they're actually doing something with their car. You know what I'm saying? And I'm very clear about that. I completely understand what's going on. And when I get to that point, I'll start filming stuff like that. But that's why I try to bring you guys different videos on my channel, because I understand what's going on. And I think some YouTubers, they're starting to get discouraged because the views are just not there. You know what I'm saying? And I seen that coming a long time ago, and it's very frustrating when you put all your time and effort in the video with the editing and trying to find a thumbnail, and you don't get any views. You know, it's frustrating. I get it, and it's just unfortunate, but that's the times we're in right now. And so I just wanted to answer that question, man. You know, yes, I've actually been thinking about selling my car, only to eventually get another one, because I know Dodge is gonna change these cars in a minute. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think is gonna happen. And before I tell y'all, man, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Durango interior, they're gonna put that interior in the new Chargers. I'm gonna tell you right now. They're not gonna do much more to the outside of the Charger. They're gonna put that Durango interior in these Chargers. And you know, with the 10-inch screen, there's either 10.5 or 11-inch screen, whatever how big that screen is. They're gonna put that whole Durango interior in the Charger. That's what they're gonna do. They're not gonna do too much to the design of the outside. They're probably gonna come out with a couple different more colors. Then they gonna probably come out with some different wheels. That's what Dodge is gonna do until 24 when they come out with the electric Chargers. That's what they're gonna do. So I was actually thinking about selling my car now. Get out of this car now, and when they come out with the new one, get the new one. Now, what's gonna happen? Initially, if one of us get the new Charger, you're gonna get views real quick. Like whenever you get something new, taking delivery videos always get a lot of views. If you notice, everybody that buys a Charger and puts out a taking delivery video, that video always does well. Wait a couple weeks after that and check that person's channel and see how their other videos are doing. I guarantee you go from 300 to like 400 views on the videos they dropped after that taking delivery video. I guarantee you. That's just how YouTube is. It's people always tune in initially, and then once they realize that you posting the same thing that everybody else posting, you're gonna get your windows tinted, you might get some lights, you can get a muffler delete, and that's it. What else is it to do? Because you're not gonna race. Police lock that down. Police are cracking down on that. People not racing these cars out on the street. Man, no, don't get me wrong. People are doing it, and people are getting caught. People losing their driver's license. People going to jail. So it's people doing it, but at the same time, there's a lot of people that realize you can't keep doing that. That first taking delivery video, once they drop that, they get a lot of views. They thinking, oh man, I'm on now. You know, you might get some subscribers. I mean, it's gonna seem like you on, but after that, it's really nothing else for you to do, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, I'm making this video because I'm keeping it 100, because I know there's a lot of you youngsters that's getting ready to buy a Charger. You're getting ready to get an RT, or you might be getting ready to get a Scat. I don't know. And you thinking you're gonna buy one, and I already touched on this before, but I'm still getting questions about it. Do not think you're gonna just get a Charger, start a YouTube channel, you're gonna blow up. It don't work like that, I'm telling you. You would be lucky to even get 100 views now. You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing new to be seen. I mean, everything has been done. And another channel that I like is CJ on 32s. He's in a position where he can keep buying cars. He got his little method. He got his audience. He know what his audience want. So, you know what I'm saying? And he was kind of like how Omi was. When Omi first came on YouTube, he was buying a bunch of cars and stuff every other week, buying a car, doing this, doing that. And that works if you can do that. But the average person, a regular guy, like, look, I'm a regular dude. I go to work every day. I got a family. I'm not going to be buying a new car every 5 minutes. It's just not going to happen. So I know I'm not going to get 50, 60, 80, 100,000 views of video. It's not going to happen. I can't. It's nothing I can do that haven't been done. I got a point where like I can't do 170 on a highway. That's what people want to see. I'm not ready to do that. It's not gonna happen. So y'all gotta understand, man. Like this YouTube thing is tricky, bro. It's very tricky, and you're gonna be very disappointed if you think you can just buy a charger and start a YouTube channel and now you're gonna be rich. It don't work like that. And I'm sorry to tell you that, man. It's just it's the God honest truth, you know. And but I say keep at it. You know what I'm saying? If you are a YouTuber and you feeling discouraged, man, keep at it. Do it for the love. Like I say, I do what I do on my channels because it's something. That's what I'll be doing anyway. You know what I'm saying? So even if I stop recording videos, I'm still gonna be doing the stuff y'all see me doing on my channel. That's just who I am. But trust me, man, there's still a lot of people that love these cars, people that want to see videos about Dodge Chargers, but just be realistic with your expectations is basically what I'm saying. I'm gonna keep uploading, whether I sell this car, get another one, you know, change my name for my channel, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep my videos exciting, keep my videos interesting, you know what I'm saying? You know, you got some people that, look at this bam. See, this is what I be talking about. See, dudes in these little GS30s or whatever the heck they are, every time they see me, I don't know if y'all can still see him, but he's doing like 100. That's the most annoying thing in the world, bro. You hear him? Every time I'm riding, there always some fool comes speeding past me trying to show off their exhaust or something. As I progress with the YouTube thing, my channel will progress. As my income increases, things for my channel will increase. But right now, I'm not delusional. I understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not expecting 100,000 views on my channel. I understand that. But you know, there's a lot I can say on this subject. I mean, it can be discouraging, you know, especially when you're used to a certain amount of views or you're used to a certain amount of, you know, income coming from YouTube. You can get spoiled and you can get, you know, you can get used to that money. But man, you gotta understand, man, YouTube is very shaky, it changes. It changes a lot. The algorithm is something else, bro.